Believe it or not, in the future, airplanes might be able to repair themselves. Researchers are developing something called self-healing materials. The idea is to create aircraft materials that can repair tiny damages before they become a big problem. Some designs use special chemicals stored inside the material. It's basically like giving an airplane the ability to heal a cut. And honestly, that's pretty crazy. Researchers are studying this technology to see how it could work with advanced materials in aerospace. We're still a long way from airplanes magically fixing damages themselves, but one day your aircraft might be able to fix tiny cracks before anyone even sees them. Anyways, that's your Daily Sky Scoop. Catch you tomorrow on Daily News with Airborne Jude. Thank you for watching.